how to play Hollow Knight split screen. I'm going to tell you how to play Hollow Knight in split screen mode. Hollow Knight doesn't officially support split screen or local multiplayer, but with the right community made mods, it's possible and actually works pretty well. The main tool is called HKMP, which stands for Hollow Knight Multiplayer. It's an alpha stage mod that lets you connect multiple game instances so two players can explore hollowness together. You'll also need something called Nucleus Co-op, which forces split screen play by launching multiple windows of the same game and assigning each to a different controller or keyboard. The setup takes time. Install the HKMP mod using Lumafly, a mod manager that handles dependencies easily. Then configure Nucleus Co-op to launch Hollow Knight twice. Set one as host using a specific port and have the second name connect to that IP. Usually just localhost. Once connected, you'll see both characters in the same world. Enemy behavior isn't perfectly synced since HKMP is still in development, but movement and exploration work. It's not plug and play, but it's doable and surprisingly stable if you follow the steps. So no, Hollow Knight doesn't offer couch co-op out of the box, but thanks to the modding community, you can still share the experience.